Hello everyone, this is JoJo from ClippingCrazyGal.com. I just want once again want to share with you my CVS haul right here. Didn't really pick up a lot of stuff, but we all know about the One Touch Ultra Minis, which are on sale right now for $10 a piece, and there's a $10 coupon that you can get from the Red Plum right now. So I'm going to go ahead and break it down on my blog for you with the transactions and coupons that I used, but basically I had paid out of pocket $16.60 total for all of these, but half of that is actually tax for the One Touch Ultra Minis. Although they are free, I still had to pay taxes on them. And you know, as we all know, here in California, it's horrendous. So just basically this transaction alone with the 6 Ultra Minis right there and the 2 Colgate, my subtotal for this was actually only 98 cents. But with taxes, I had to pay $6.75 because the tax alone was $5.77. But after everything is said and done, I actually got back $4.98 from this transaction alone right here. So it wasn't, you know, still a bad deal. So anyways, like I said, I'm not going to go ahead and I'm not going to break it down here on the video, but I will go ahead and put the link down below for the breakdown on my blog. And yeah, there you go. After all the transactions, I still have a $2 here for this transaction here and a $2.49. So I have a total of $4.49, or less than $5 to use or to shop with on my next purchase. So still not bad. So $16.60 minus the almost $5 back that I got. It's still not really that bad. So there you go. Once again, I hope you guys are having a good week. Happy Monday or Tuesday, wherever you guys are. I will talk to you guys later, and thanks again for all the new subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe again if you're new to my channel, and I will try to do the same to you. I will link up, and I just want to say a special shout out to Foxy Cropper and Coupon Exposed, I believe, for all the great tips and ideas with all these couponing deals that we have. Again, have a good evening, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.